Today we talk about how can you change your name on your call app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here above your photo profile here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on edit profile. You come to next here. You can use your full name and here change your name here in this list on your collab. So then when you down click here on save profile here when you change your name here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.